This is the Schrade SCHF36 full-tang fixed-blade survival knife, brandishing the heft and strength of a 5-inch drop-point blade produced from quarter-inch thick 1095 high-carbon steel. The all-black SCHF36 offers outdoor enthusiasts a knife eager to take on the rigors of the backcountry. The powder-coated fine-edge blade resists corrosion and is razor-sharp right out of the box. The knife is just over 10.5 inches overall length, contributing to its versatility and ease of use. The 90-degree angle of the knife's spine can be used as a striker against a ferro rod. Ring texturing on the TPE handle defies the elements, providing a sure grip in any weather condition, while also offering a contoured design that fits with your hand's natural shape. Jimping on the blade's spine and underside adds traction, while the finger choil offers increased blade control. Pass cordage through the lanyard hole to keep the SCHF36 close at hand. The black nylon sheath with its Velcro loop makes it easy to attach the sheath without the need to remove your belt. Lash the sheath to your leg with the available cordage, or to gear. A single snap makes for ready access to the SCHF36, and the sheath pouch comes packing a ferro rod, striker, and sharpening stone. Designed to see you through the unexpected, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHF36 Survival Knife.
There's no better way to start fires than the Flex Neck Utility Lighter. It's a match made in heaven with our cedar fire starter. Just break off a piece and light it. The Flex Neck has a strong butane-powered, wind-resistant flame. Our cedar fire starter takes the place of dry tinder. It even lights when wet. The Flex Neck Utility Lighter is ideal for hard-to-reach wicks, and the flame adjusts in an instant. The Flex Neck Utility Lighter features wind-resistant, dual-flame technology on a 5-inch flexible neck. It has a one-handed ignition switch with a patented child-resistant safety button. There's a flame adjustment knob, refill port, and a handle loop below. The cedar fire starter is made from wax and compressed cedar chips. Each puck is scored to break into 4 pieces to light 4 fires.
The Titan SurvivorCord bracelet is just one way we've got your back. 11 feet of Titan's patented mil-spec SurvivorCord are woven in a trilobite weave pattern that has style and a huge degree of function. After unwinding and cut open, the cord contains multiple strands of life-saving material. These include a 25-pound monofilament fishing line for emergency food shortages, a multi-purpose conductive wire that's perfect for snares, and a wax-impregnated jute fiber that's been proven to ignite easily and start your fire even in the worst downpour. Quickly and easily disassembled in an emergency situation, this innovative survival bracelet, exclusively from Titan Survival, is the ultimate accessory for your adventures.
The Pocketboy 130 is a lightweight and compact folding saw, perfect for pruning and clearing trail on your hike or bike ride. It's nicknamed the Little Giant due to its extraordinary cutting capacity in a small package. The 5-inch blade is taper ground to reduce resistance, which gives it a smoother, easier, and faster cut of limbs up to 3 inches in diameter. With 4 cutting angles along its length, the Pocketboy can rip cut, cross cut, and slant cut, leaving a smooth surface. With impulse-hardened teeth, the blade stays sharp about 3 times longer than the non-hardened teeth and is resistant to rust and the effects of pitch and resin. The rubber handle is comfortable to hold, reduces vibration, and offers superior grip when your hands are wet, cold, or wearing gloves. The Pocketboy will take up very little room in your pocket or backpack, so don't leave home without it on your next adventure.
The pre-seasoned cast iron cook set includes a 10-inch fry pan, 3-quart chicken fryer, and 4-quart Dutch oven. The included lid is interchangeable for all pieces in the set, and accessories include a Dutch oven lid lifter and a hot handle holder. The cast iron set comes pre-seasoned and evenly distributes heat when cooking. Even heating means faster cooking without having to manage the heat source or rotate the pans. If your campsite doesn't have a grill, we've got you covered. Our cast iron campfire tripod and our heavy-duty grill rack are both great additions when cooking over the fire. Both items are sold separately. The rustic look of cast iron matched with long-lasting construction has a rich history in outdoor cooking, but is frequently used for indoor cooking as well. The pre-seasoned cast iron cook set is one of our most versatile products, offering an ease to cooking from your home kitchen to the cabin to the great outdoors.